Greetings everyone. Welcome once again to Kamret family. Guys, we like to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining us in this channel as we are going to learn all about the organic living, how we are going to use our organic products. So most of you left for me questions from our last video. We requested you to leave your questions in the comments. Na nikapata maswali mingi sana, especially on how to tackle your skin when you have eczema. Most of them really touched on the type of cleansing someone has to use. So today I'm going to address the soaps. So in this soap session, we are going to learn how to choose the type of soap that is good for your skin, how to make a choice if you have dry skin, oily skin that is prone to acne, and if you have a baby with eczema, how you are going to choose the soap range from us. So now as you address the soap, first of all, I like to address on the oils that we are using in our soap. Majorly, we use macadamia oil, coconut oil, olive oil, neem oil, and also shea butter. So the way we choose these oils, they are oils that have high oleic acid. So like the macadamia oil is really good for people with mature skin and dry skin, since it has a high moisturizing content. Then we have the coconut oil, which really penetrates the skin very well. We have the olive oil that has high oleic acid. Actually, it's like the highest in the class of oleic acid. That is a good, healthy fatty acid. So when you use this oil in combination, it actually gives good, healthy skin. And for people with sensitive skin, you require to have oils that are calming to your skin. So that's why we also use neem oil, which has good anti-inflammatory properties, as it helps your skin to have that soothing effect on your skin. Then you use the peppermint oil, which has amazing anti-inflammatory properties also, even tea tree. So all this oil in combination will give your skin a calming effect, and it will also help you in cleansing your skin, since in the combination of oils, we have also added the castor oil. The castor oil is mostly known as the dirt magnet. It really helps to cleanse your skin and remove the dirt on top of your skin, and it also helps to unclog your pores. So the way we have combined these oils is that we realize that most of our clients, they have acne problem. So most of them, their skins are dry. Hence, we gave them oils that are going to moisturize their skin and not strip all the oils from their skin. Then we have people with oily acne problems. So for them, we made sure to include oils with anti-inflammatory properties so that their skin can be calm, and it will also help to avoid pimples from reoccurring and also rashes from reoccurring. Then we have the babies with eczema. So when it comes to babies, we ensure that we put oils that are really calming to their skin, the extracts that really form the soothing effect to their skin. Since most babies who have eczema or who have rashes, they tend to itch. And we want their babies to really have the calm effect so that they can stop crying, so that they can really be comfortable on their skin. In our first soap category, we shall address the activated charcoal. This is our activated charcoal. So it comes in different shapes, like we have some which are rectangle and some which are oval like this. When it comes to activated charcoal is mainly good for people with oily, acne-prone skin. Also, the activated charcoal itself, it helps in detoxing the skin. So what it does, it really removes the dirt in our pores, and it helps to clear our pores. So when you use activated charcoal, basically you are detoxing the skin. It leaves the skin with a really smooth cleansing effect. So you will really feel that your skin has become so smooth and so calm after using this activated charcoal. But put in mind that it's mostly advisable for people with oily acne-prone problems. Yeah. So activated charcoal is also combined with bentonite clay. So what bentonite clay does, it gives you the masking effect. So it also helps to pull out excess impurities from your skin. So when you combine the two, yes, it's a cleansing product. So the effects will not be so major at first, but continuous use of this activated charcoal will assist in unclogging the pores and leaving your skin so smooth and so fresh. So we also have the Liwa soap. Our Liwa soap, this is the Liwa soap, as you can see. Our Liwa soap is also combined with chamomile. So as we have said, we require to have extracts and products in our skin that helps with calming the skin. So the chamomile has a really good calming effect. So when you use our Liwa, as you can see, our liver also is put with coconut extract, and also it has coffee, the coffee extract. So what it does, basically the liver is good for people who have suffered a lot with pimples, rashes, and they have the dry skin. So if you have dry skin and you are looking to fight the dry skin, which is prone to rashes, prone to pimples, then I will advise you to use the liver soap. Reason being, the sandalwood, which is the liver, it's amazing in cleaning the pores, and it also has the anti-inflammatory properties. So it will assist your skin to rejuvenate itself, and it will also help in avoiding the pimples from reoccurring. And also, when you combine it with coffee extract, coffee has good anti-aging properties. So with time, the coffee extract will also help in reducing the anti-aging signs. Also, if you have the fine lines, the wrinkles, this will assist. And also, as you have noted, most of our clients that use liver is actually soothing to your skin. It doesn't leave any allergy reactions. It doesn't form any new pimples when you use the liver. So I'll advise, if you have dry skin problems, liver is your go-to soap. Then we have the turmeric soap. Turmeric soap is quite effective for people with oily skin to normal skin. So what turmeric does, when you use the turmeric helps with fighting dark spots mostly, and it also stops any new anti-inflammatory conditions from appearing, any new rashes and pimples from appearing. So what happens with the turmeric itself can have a really high allergic reaction. So usually I advise people, if you have to use turmeric soap, kindly ensure that you take turmeric and do a patch test on your skin. Once you confirm that you've done a patch test na hakuna any new reaction that comes out of it, au feel kuwashwa, your skin is just calm, then go ahead and buy turmeric. Because turmeric, as good as it is, it's really amazing in fighting pimples, in fighting acne. It really helps in rejuvenating the skin, but it also has a high allergic reaction to people who may not be familiar with turmeric. Then lastly, we are going to take a look at our baby, the colloidal oats. This is the colloidal oat. So our colloidal oats has green tea, which is, like I've said, it has anti-inflammatory properties, and also it has chamomile extract. So chamomile extract helps in soothing the baby's skin. So the oat itself is good it's a mild additive which helps to ease the skin, and also when it cleanses the skin, it doesn't leave the skin completely stripped of its natural sebum. So the skin will still be intact. It will be highly moisturized for the babies, because in addition to everyone's oil, when it comes to the baby colloidal oat, there's an addition of the black seed oil, which is amazing in healing of the baby's skin. So what happens when babies use the colloidal oat, it will stop irritation, and it will also calm their skin, and it will also leave their skin highly moisturized. So when you choose this soap, kindly ensure that you choose a soap that is within your skin specification. Because if you have, let's say, oily skin type, and then you go ahead and use the liver, it might not affect you as much. But if you have the dry skin and you still choose a soap that is going to strip away the oil from your skin, like the activated charcoal, then your skin will be left completely dry, and you'll require to actually apply a lot of moisturizer on your skin. Then lastly, just to summarize the soap topic, as you have noted by now, our soaps have different shapes. So when you buy soap from us and you notice that the shape are not the same, this is because we use different molds, and our soap being handmade, the shape may vary from time to time, but we ensure that the net weight is the same for all the soap. So when you buy our soap, you will find that they all have a net weight of 100 grams from our collection. So guys, thank you for being with me through this session. And for more sessions like this, remember, leave your questions below, leave your comments below. Tell us what you want us to talk about, and we shall talk about it. So if you are interested to learn more about your skin and what you're going to apply on your skin and your hair next time, kindly press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys, and have an amazing day. Hasta la vista, guys.